Because today we'll have it, today we'll have it, today we'll have it fun at Ethan's place.
You're now watching Ethan Trains TV on YouTube.
Hey guys, Ethan here. So today, welcome to this episode of the Anvil Smp. In today's episode, we are gonna be looking through all the new updates. Anvil Smp has updated. Jack is online. He's somewhere, I guess. I don't actually know where he's at, to be honest. He is coming in. What's up, Jack?
Jack, you're dead.
I'm not dead. You're dead. I'm at spawn. Come on, man. Well, at the home. Sorry. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna actually move this. Sorry. / home. So if it's like lagging. 10 chunks, 5 chunks. Okay, almost everything's the same.
What?
Sorry, I'm changing my settings. Sorry, I'm changing my settings.
The tutorial.
I'm setting my thing. So chunk updates. What not?
Keybinds. So Minison. What new mods did I add? Multiplayer, gameplay, inventory, debug. Voice chat, that's an old one. Free cam.
I have
total free cam.
I have fully cam.
I had to do a new free cam.
No, I had to get same. I had to get a new. I don't have my zoom mod. I don't have my zoom mod. The one that makes the camera zoom. I don't have that because that's unsupported. And I don't have my resource packs yet. Well, actually, do I have it? Hold on, I'll check. Oh, I actually left. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, I have my shaders. How do I put on? Do I have my resource packs? Yeah, I do. I have my resource packs. I'm gonna test it.
Group management, total recording.
Okay.
I don't need that.
I have my mod up. Hold on.
Whisper. Show boxes.
What's the password?
Then dash B3T.
Dash B3T. I thought it was B3T because it's always actually, it's always dash B3T. Sorry. I should know the password. I should write down the password to those things that we do. Okay. Do you want to check the new updates, Dylan, instead of messing around?
Yes, sir.
You have the pancake on?
And yeah, I have the pancake on.
Oh, I can see it because of your Elytra skin. I have. Well,
yeah.
I don't have my Elytra because it's broke. I have to go fix it. Like thing real quick.
Bots, don't cut out the bots. Please don't cut out the part where I came in. I was flying into the base. That was a great part.
I don't think she would do that. I do want to spill though. It's only a stick.
Bots, you're a great editor. You deserve to earn more money. You should protest.
Bro, we don't have any money. We're broke.
Exactly. Bots deserves to earn some more money.
Do you have any wood?
Oh yeah, tireless hours.
We have tons of wood. You're making me thirsty.
I'm drinking coffee.
You're making me thirsty.
Are we out of oak wood? Okay, I want to get some more oak. Give me a sec.
Okay, I have a spear.
We have a secret wood chest over here.
Hold on.
Restock it.
Can you come outside real quick?
Oh, we're actually kinda out of wood.
Can we, can you
We're
come,
running low on oak.
can you come outside real quick?
Give me a sec. I'm just restarting the oak. Yeah?
Where are you at? Oh, hold on. I messed up.
Oh, damn it. You have to turn PvP off. Oh,
Oh,
do
yeah,
you
I
want to
do.
sit on my head?
No.
You have to turn PvP off.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, ready?
Where are you?
Crap.
What type of spear do you have? Do you have an iron
I have a
one or a
diamond. I
diamond?
have a diamond.
I'm gonna upgrade mine to netherite.
Oh, I wish I had one. Oh, let's go. That's OP.
That's great. If someone's running towards you, just hold out your spear.
That's a great PvP strat.
I dare
Okay.
you to try and kill me again.
Mr. Spear. Okay, I want to name this Mr. Spear. Well, Mr. Spear.
Mr. Spear.
Yeah, Mr. Spear. Mr. Spear.
Am I allowed to name a Stabby?
I don't actually. You can ask Ash for questions. Although, or whoever wants the Minecraft server, or you can ask Anvil.
Probably. You missed.
Whoa! What?
I didn't even die.
Bro's OP now. Did he upgrade
Making
your
some
thing?
cake.
Wait, what?
What thing?
Where are you at?
I'm eating cake. Want some?
Whoa! There's like an offset.
I'm just trying to eat. Can
That'll be
you let
taken
me
out of
eat my
context.
food in peace?
That'll be taken out of context.
Can you just let me eat in peace? Mr. Spear.
Where are you at? Are we air spearing? Okay. Come here then.
I'm gonna kill your donkey.
How did I fall from a high place? Whoa.
I feel like my spear should have a subscribe button because I have. Can you please subscribe to me? I'm asking you to subscribe.
I'm spearing you to subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna steal that.
Wait a minute. You run like something. What's going on?
Testing new.
Each other. Just killing each other.
Testing the new update.
Hey, you're low.
I'm not actually low.
I know it.
Oh, you get to the and then that's funny.
My turn.
Where were you
I'm
at?
not going in the nether.
Where are you at, dude?
I'm not going in the nether. Are you shooting the bow?
I don't have any arrows though. Olives. So, yeah. Whoa. Oh, come on. I didn't have it on the light mode. I did not have it on the light mode.
I think you. I did. Try and kill me again. Oh!
What did that bring you down to? Come on, man. Oh, I missed it by like 1 inch. Oh, I did the wrong block. I did the wrong thing.
I love you dying. That sounds weird.
I want to see the new
If someone
babies.
just- The new babies.
Yeah.
Hey yo!
Oh.
You
Wait.
missed. Stabby's ready for you to die.
Oh, come on, man.
Stabby's waiting.
Oh. How's that better than mine?
No idea, but it is. Stabby's way better. I'm just gonna check empty mobs.
Where are you
Am I
at?
still crouching? Am I still crouching? This weekend mod sucks.
I like the original one.
I know. I'm just gonna have a look what. Oh, they don't even have any modifiers for spears. For spears.
Yeah, because they haven't updated it.
So I can't enchant my spear in any way. That sucks. Oh.
Come on, man. Oh! Come on!
Oh, I'm gonna close our gate. That
Wait.
time I didn't even move.
Wait,
so
should we go into the
that's on you.
arena so we can test this even more?
Warp arena.
Yeah. I'll go bring a bed.
I think there's already a bed there.
Can you check? Okay.
No, I don't see a bed.
Okay, I have a bed.
I want to make a dramatic entrance into the arena.
Okay, I'm in the arena now. Where does the bed usually go? I think it usually goes by this crafting bench.
I'll make a dramatic entrance into the arena.
Okay, it's day.
You ready?
Yep. Hello. Okay, let's get started.
Hi. Yeah.
Oh, no, come on, man. I don't have.
I'm
okay.
just finished.
Are you able to go back home and get me some buckets?
Here.
Or do you
Take
already
some
have
of mine.
buckets? Get off the stage. It's my stage. It's the Ethan Train stage.
Okay, wait. Let me just add some lights.
Where is the things? Whoa.
I'm adding some cool lights.
Isn't this how it's supposed to walk?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
The way here's where the person stands or something, I don't know. Why
Give me a sec.
why don't we do meetings here?
I don't know. We should.
It's a
Okay,
cool place for meetings.
On the right side of the stage is no one because he's not there yet.
Oh, sorry.
On the left side of the stage is the one, the only Jack.
The one and only Jack. Just Jack. You ready? Well, hold on. I have to get food. As I was saying, I had to get food. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, let's try that again. On the right side of the stage is Ethan Trains.
Yay!
On the left side of the stage is the strong, the best, the only Jack. Hey!
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Okay, start again.
We should make a jousting arena. Okay.
Well,
so how
this
it
is
begins,
kind of a jousting arena.
how it begins is we both fly forward and then we fight in the middle of the stage. Sounds
I
good?
fell off the stage.
On the other one side of the stage is the dumb TNT.
Hey, it's not no.
And on the other side of the stage is the one that won every match so far, the Jack.
The Jack Star. That sounds weird.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you missed me again. Hold on. Oh.
Oh, spears only.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Oh yeah. I have to take off my armor. Hold on.
Spears only.
Hold on. I have to take off my armor.
Hey!
I have to take off all my armor so it's fair. Hold on.
Why do we have... Yeah, I'll take off my armor too. Only elytras allowed.
Okay. Only elytras. Hold on. I have to put on my elytra. It's almost. It's about to break soon. So let's see how long this walks for.
Ooh!
Is that mine? I think that's mine.
Yeah.
Can you hand
They
that
are.
back? Thank you. You're so
On one
nice.
side of the stage is Jack the Great, the strongest, the one that's won every match so far, the Jack. And on the other side of the stage is TNT 723.
The most
Ready,
fastest boss in the
Set
world.
5.
You didn't even go. I just said time.
Okay.
My
And then
elytra
we
just broke.
fight in the middle of...
My elytra just broke. Okay. My elytra just broke, so I have to use the stage manually. Should I go repair my elytra now?
Yeah.
Is it
Yes.
fair? Hold on. Okay. I'm trying to... Dude.
Where is he? Wanna build a PvP arena in like
Whoa! This one hits Enderman.
What one hits Enderman?
The spear.
Everything one hits Enderman. At the end time, they fall.
Oh yeah, wait. I'm stupid. Copyright. Copyright.
You're welcome.
Copyright. Okay. My Electro is ready. I have to get more. I have to get more Electro. Fireworks. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Well, I wasn't ready. I'm ready. Oh well.
Okay, let me restart the lights.
Okay, ready.
On one side of the stage is the one, the only Jack, and on the other, go to the middle of the stage. Hey.
Yo.
And on the other side of the stage is TNT.
Boo.
Ready.
Okay, set.
Go. So we fly, and then we
fall off the stage.
Then we cast a fight in the middle.
Whoa. Whoa. What?
I've hit you. Sorry, I gotta go.
What a loser. Does he actually have to go? We'll find out. Okay. Oh well. That was fun. Next thing in the update, I don't actually know how to cancel this, to be honest. So it's stuck like this. Next update is baby animals. I have to go find some baby animals. Let's go buy some baby animals. Let's go find some. I'm out of rockets. I'm gonna go home. Oh, I almost forgot my bed. Hold on. So I have to go die real quick. Thank you. Oh, that's not my bed. Bah. I want to find the new animals though. Ah! I don't know. I want to find the new animals. That'll be actually pretty cool. Let's go over to the base. Okay. I'm locked out. Jack, I'm sorry, but yeah, let me in. Okay. Then I'll end this video for you. After we find a baby animal. Time is it, like 10? Yeah, 10 o'clock. Oh, we have some rockets. We don't have any arrows though. Arrows. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Over. Let's go. New rabbits! It died. It's stupid though. I don't actually know how to do a golden dandelion. Which is the golden dandelion? Okay, I'll stop. Is it Anvil Smp S2? Very close to it. Basically. There's a zombie, what's it called? Oh. I died. Okay, I'm gonna actually, let's leave it off here right now. So, I hope you guys liked this video. So guys, let's go see you all next time. Goodbye, have a nice day.